Well, you were going to ask what I had to say.
Oh!
Not about the dolphins. I mean, not about the fish, just about the fish.
You're on. What do you have to say?
So it's a lovely day to be out on the Gulf of Mexico. Just on the way out here, I saw 6 or 7 different species of birds. We saw black dolphins and gray dolphins. And it's just teeming with life. And people are working, but today I get to be on vacation. And it's a great place to be.
And this is again the Belle Pass leading to Port Fourchon. Lots of oil related boats going back and forth in the pass. But we're fishing. Our location right now is we're about at the end of the western jetty. On the outside, maybe 100 feet from the rocks themselves and maybe 100 feet north of the end. There's the green channel marker at the end. And let's talk a little bit about bull red fishing technique. We use these sturdy level wind reels spooled up with 80-pound Power Pro for bait. We can see it with the light. We're using cracked crab and cut mullet for bait. Most of the fish we've caught this week have been caught on mullet, but historically crab has been a very good bait for us. The leaders on the end of the line are tied up with an 80-pound monofilament and a size 7/0 Gamakatsu octopus hook. These happen to be stronger than normal, but the normal strength is fine. That's just what we were able to find. But these fish pull hard, so we pay careful attention to the knots. All of our knots are uni knots. We also pay very careful attention to the terminal tackle. We use a swivel that's rated at 120 pounds, and we use a snap swivel that's rated at 100 pounds. And then whatever we put in the snap swivel, whatever size sinker we need to hold the bottom, anywhere from 1 ounces to 6 ounces. And just cast out, the baits are cast out. One's at about the 1:30 position from the front of the boat. One's at about the 3 o'clock position. One's at about the 4:30 position. Then as we work our way around behind the boat, one's at about the 7:30 position. One's at about the 9 o'clock position. And then one's at about the 10:30 position. So we cast out 6 lines in all directions from the boat with either cracked crab or cut mullet on the bottom. And we're just waiting for a bull red to come along. When a bull red comes along, things get busy in the boat because the person who's not reeling in the bull red needs to work to quickly get the other lines out of the way, because bull red can go in a lot of different directions and you got to get the lines up, otherwise tangles are apt to happen. And that one, Amy's last one got into the anchor line. So we just get the other lines out of the way as quick as we can.